Okay, so you couldn't hear the computer earlier. That's fine. It's fine. We just solve jump scares, I guess. But yeah, let's put the ones that we put up before. So we put up Bonnie all the way. We had you before. We had you. We had you. Who else did we have? We had phone guy over here. We had a couple more people because of that. We had you and we had you. So you just don't. Yeah. Okay, I can do you. I can do Chica as well. I can do you. I feel like I can do you. Because none of these I need to check on the monitor for, so I don't need to check on the monitor really. Let's say I'd want to check on the monitor, but I don't want to check on the monitor, so I'm not going to add one to check on the monitor because I don't want to check on the monitor. What does he do? He makes... Okay. Yeah. If it leaves the desk, it moves a box. Oh, that's all. Make it alone. Alright, I think I've got it. I don't got it. Okay, there's flashlight, got you. I need that. Heater, I don't think, well, I do need that soon, but no, all I need is basically the ones that I've used. Right. Okay, close that. Damn it. He was hiding behind, what's his name, him. I've got to go down straight. Jeez, I didn't even know that. Oh god, you've so gotta go on other people's and listen to their voices. It's scary as hell. Okay, I'm putting him down. I can't deal with that. He's too thingy. I can't do you. But that's fine. Yeah, I can do that. Yeah. Okay, I can do that. Okay. Yeah. Third. Nicole. Okay. Where's the mute call? Who is it? Bonnie. I'm not gonna make this, I'm turning this down. Knew it. Cool. You call. You have to. I only have to go on this one need. By accident, I pressed it, but okay. Hey, Bon. You can back off. Fine, you can go back on. You can mute that call. You can go away. Go away. No! I was so close. Ew, and let me thingy. They're just the distractive ones is the problem. They're just distracting. Oh, that's gonna be hard if you have more like actual things. I'll do all the bears next time, but for now I'm just gonna try and get these ones done. So straight away. Flashlight. Didn't mean to press that, but okay. So basically you don't go on the monitors unless you need to, what's it called? Do the, hello Bonnie, how you doing? You cool? If you only thingy the vents, I don't know what that does still, but may as well do it. You there. Dee Dee, go away. No. Oh, Dee Dee. Who? Dee Dee. Really? Dee Dee, you gotta be kidding me. What did I ever do to deserve such torture? Who did you put on? You put on... Oh, one of the secret characters. Dee Dee, how dare you? I was doing good. It's, who distracts me the most? I'd say it's him. Because I tried to escape off the cameras, I can do that. And you don't do anything, neither you. You don't really do anything either. It's just when I have to go on the cameras to do the thing, you pop up, you can pop up, and then you pop up straight after, but you two can just get in the way. Well, that'll be the end of this video because, one, I'm pretty sure it's my bedtime. Well, I don't care about that. Okay, two, I will need another entire episode to do? I don't know. Which one was I gonna do? Challenges? Bear attack. That was it. Okay, right. So, he climbs through the duct system, making his way towards you. You can audio alert him or the heater keep him away at bay. Right, so, you're good. You good. I get you. I got you. You two, and you free it easy. You free it easy. But it's just everyone else. You're easy, you look for the laughing, so those four are easy. He is invisible onto the cameras, but you can only be seen when he reaches the right door. Close the door on his face to send him back to the darkness. He is invisible to the... you could always... Which door? Which? Close the door. Wait. Right door. Right door, left door, left door. Come on. Let's do a little go of this. Let's do, what does he do? Okay. Go fail, but okay. And you are not one of them. Thanks. Like I said, not good at it. You got me this one. You're 10 though, that's not fair. Oh, come on. Plate. Easy. No. Ladies night. So I'm guessing all these are ladies. Yeah, but what about Mango? Mango's a lady. Oh, why don't they have Mango? Poor Mango. And Funtime Foxy. Oh. And then I get it. So you only have some ladies. And then you add the Nightmare Mango because I'm guessing this one's bad or something. And then you add it. Yeah. I get it. And then Chaos 3. Let's just go 50 mode. See, look. I will turn all this all the way down. Take this off. You can still hear me. But then, look. See how quickly you die, yeah? I couldn't even do anything. It's crazy. But yeah, that'll be the end of this video. I'll see you guys all in the next video, yeah? Bye!